LPSN stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether LivePerson stock is a buy or not for me. So watch the short 1 minute video till the end to find out. First thing that I have to say is I'm looking to take things lower, like higher though, like my bad. Context, I have done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years and spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships, documented everything. But the reason why I said I'm looking to take things higher, because it was the same thing that I was expecting way before here, like way back then, you know. Here's the proof.
If you want to make more money,
like this video was made 2nd of January, you know, and this is like how I look like
in a simple lean way.
And now this is where we are, you know. So the only thing that again went up, it's coming down again in a like pull down. I'm not gonna, you know, buy, you know, that I'm waiting for a proper shift, right? So that's still the thing. This is still the approach. So that's how it looks like. It's not financial advice. If you want to make more money trading in a simple new way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.